everyone. My name is Lisa. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia, and I'm going to give you a review on pop-on veneers. I was very embarrassed about my smile because I'm missing teeth in the back, and I would never give that big smile that I used to give. So now with my pop-on veneers, I can do that. I'm so excited. The impression kit came. They give you 3 chances to get it right. I only messed up once. It was very easy, sent it back, and within 3 weeks, I received my pop-on veneers. So again, here's my smile, which is okay, but it's not a $1 million smile like I want. And I can't afford the veneers, the real veneers, but these are perfect. I absolutely love them. This is the bottom. Okay, pop on. And the top. Oh my God, I love them. And I can speak correctly in them, and I need to do that because I deal with people every day, conversational wise. Thank you so much, pop-on veneers. I love them. I highly recommend them. I can't stop smiling.